Hi, today we are going to learn how to read a weather or climate data from NetCDF file. For demonstration purpose, I am using two data set. One is rainfall data which is available over Indian region and other is air temperature data which is available over global scale. Before writing a program to read data from NetCDF file, first we should know the name of the variable or meteorological parameter written inside data file. To check what are the variables are present inside data file, we are going to run a command ncdump -h and file name. After that, we can see the variables are present inside data file. For me here it is rain data. Inside that file I have four variables. One is time, one is latitude, other one is longitude, and our main variable which is rainfall, which is a function of time, latitude and longitude. Now we can write a program to read a rainfall data using Python program. To write a Python program, I am using Linux terminal. To write a Python program in a Linux terminal, I am using VI editor. So let's start. VI space, give a name for your program. Here I am giving one rainfall.py and enter. Import a NetCDF library to read data from NetCDF file. Next, create a variable which will store the path of your data file. Here I have created path underscore in equal to colon dot slash colon. This indicate my Python script or program and data file both are present in the same directory. If they are not present in the same directory, then you should mention the path of your data file directory. To load a data from NetCDF file, I am writing the following syntax, which is of some variable name data file equal to nc dot dataset open bracket inside the path. Here you can mention a complete path of your data file, or you can call a variable where you store the path of your data file. In my case, I stored my path in path underscore in variable, so I am writing path underscore in, then the name of your data file, which is I am joining by using plus sign plus single quotation inside name of file, which is rain data dot nc and quotation complete and bracket close. After this, we can write the following syntax to read each variable from NetCDF file in the following manner. For me here, time equal to data file in square bracket inside single quotation time square bracket complete with again a new bracket open colon and close square bracket. Here we know time is a one dimensional data, so we are using single colon. If the data which you are reading from NetCDF file, it is a more than one dimension, then we have to mention that many colons. For example, I am reading rainfall data from NetCDF, which is a three dimensional. For that, I will write rainfall equal to data file open bracket inside single quotation the name of variable complete bracket, and in the next square bracket I will write colon comma colon comma colon three times because it's a three dimensional data. To know the dimensions and type of data, we can use the following syntax: print time dot shape. This will give the dimensions, that means the number of records for that particular variable. Similarly, for the rainfall, print rainfall dot shape. To get the type of data, we can write print time dot dtype. This will give the data type of that data. For rainfall, dtype. Now you may save the program and run in a terminal. Here I am running the program with Python 3.8. You will get following output. The numbers are showing the dimensions. The first 365, it is the number of time records present in a data file, and on second line we got 365 comma 129 comma 135. This is for the three dimensional data. 365 is the time step, 129 is latitude, and 135 is the longitude. And on the next two lines we can find the type of that particular data. Similarly, we can do for the other file, which here we have air temperature. First we will check the name of variable present inside the file. Here it is air, it's again three dimensional data. Similarly, we will write a program for air temperature. I am giving a name here to air.py. I am opening. First I am importing important library which is needed to read a NetCDF data. Then I am giving a path. After that, a name of some variable which load the data of nc dot dataset open bracket path plus the name of your file and finally you may read the variable from your data file. I am printing here the shape of air and the data type of air. Saving and running the program. Okay, I made a mistake. Now run the program. You will get the output 890 73 144. Here 890 is the time step, 73 is your latitude, and 144 is the longitude, and its data type is a float 32. This way you can read any NetCDF file in Python programming. Thank you.